Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason that the add your sticker just isn't working for your specific Instagram account. So maybe you see someone else's story and it says add yours, something like that. You can go and click on it, and most of the time you should be able to go ahead and add a photo to that specific sticker. Now, most of the time this will work. If it doesn't work, the main reason why this may be happening is if your Instagram application is severely outdated. So you'll be able to look at that specific story, but you may not be able to add to it. So what you want to do is you want to open up your app store just like this, and then you want to go ahead and search up Instagram. So you want to go in here, click on Instagram, and you can do the same thing on Android or any other platform out there. Type in Instagram like this on your Play Store or App Store, and you'll come here. Now, if you see an update panel, you want to go ahead and update your application. Like I mentioned, if your application is severely outdated, it really doesn't matter what you do. You're probably never going to get it up to date. It doesn't really matter what you do. If your app is outdated, you can't fix it. So what you want to do is you want to click update right there. And then you want to wait a second or two. Once it's updated, you want to go back into your Instagram app. It will probably reload. And then you want to try adding your specific thing back to that story. If it works, then you're set. And 99% of the time, I guarantee this will fix it, because a majority of people out there, that is what you have to do. Now, if that doesn't work, some other things you can try. You can try exiting out of that Instagram application. So go out of it like this. You want to load back into Instagram. You want to open up that story once more. And you want to see if that actually fixed it there. If it fixed it, then you're set. If it still is not fixed as of this point, there's two different things that can happen. Instagram may be down, or your network connection is really bad and you can't even open up a thing. And you can't really even open up a story, and you can't even add to it. So if your network connection is bad, you just have to connect to a better signal. Things like Wi-Fi, data, just connect to better signals and then move on from there. But if Instagram is actually down, meaning Instagram is having some server problems within itself and it's not working out or something, well, you're going to have to go ahead and actually fix those specific things in order for it to actually go ahead and fix itself. So you're going to have to go ahead, go through your Instagram account, or you can go in the comment section of this video, sort by the latest comments, and if a lot of people are commenting at the same time saying Instagram is down, then quite possibly Instagram is down, and you're pretty much going to have to fix it before, and they're pretty much going to have to fix Instagram before you can actually go ahead and use it. So that's pretty much it. There's a couple different ways to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.